Hi there, welcome to this slow English video. Today I will talk about what I did last weekend and you will practice English with me. Last weekend I met with my sister to go shopping. Many people go shopping in December. They like to buy Christmas presents and also their outfits for special days. December is a very busy month. In English, we say that December is peak season. Peak season means the busiest time of the year. Do you usually go shopping in December or do you usually go shopping in a different month? Speaking of my sister, we decided to go shopping on Monday morning. So I woke up very early, around 7 a.m., to cook breakfast, to cook lunch, and to get ready to hang out with my sister. Later, I realized something funny. I remembered that my sister usually arrives late everywhere, so it was not necessary to wake up early. But okay, I did. I woke up early to be ready with everything. I had to wait for her for several hours. What about you? Do you usually arrive early, on time, or late? My sister arrived around midday, and because of that, we decided to have lunch here at home and then we went to the mall. After lunch, we went out and spent the whole afternoon shopping. We didn't expect the mall to be crowded on a Monday, but yes, it was really crowded because remember that December is peak season. So people are usually on vacation and children are out of school. So it doesn't matter if it is Monday morning, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, it is always crowded. Everywhere is crowded in December. When my sister and we were inside the mall, we went to different stores. In all of them, there were long lines for the fitting rooms. The fitting rooms are the places where you try on the clothes. So while my sister tried on the clothes, I waited outside. I had to wait for several minutes outside. I think that this is the worst part of going shopping because while you are outside waiting for the other person to try on the clothes, you can't sit down because there aren't any chairs outside to sit down and rest. So you end up being very tired. For example, by the end of the day, I felt extremely exhausted. So tell me, do you like to try on clothes or do you prefer shopping quickly? When I say try on clothes, I mean to put on clothes to see if you like them and if they fit very well. And when I say fit well, I mean that you see if the clothes has the right size for your body. I mean small size, medium size, large size. Even though it is a bit tiring staying outside, waiting for the other person to show you their clothes, I like to stay there outside because I like to see the outfits my sister tries on, and I also like to see if they suit her. We can use the verb suit to talk about clothes, and when we use suit, we mean that the color, the style, or shape look good on a person. For example, you can say, this dress suits you, or that jacket really suits your style. Okay. My sister bought several things in our favorite stores. She bought beautiful jeans and stylish blouses. I didn't buy anything. I think I'll go shopping another day. And you know what? That actually made me feel good. I noticed something important about myself. I am changing a lot. Before, I used to buy things I didn't need. Sometimes I felt anxious or even sad when I went shopping with other people and I couldn't or I didn't buy anything. But now my mindset is very different. I feel comfortable, I feel relaxed, and I enjoy doing things when I really want to, not because of social pressure. I also feel less FOMO nowadays. Do you know what FOMO means? FOMO means fear of missing out. We use this word when we feel anxious because we think other people are doing something fun and we are not part of it. For example, I went to the party because of FOMO, or I bought it because I didn't want to miss out. That is FOMO. Now, the best part of going shopping is the food. After shopping, we ate delicious fries with shredded meat, chicken, and beef. They had sour cream, guacamole, and other toppings. Everything was really tasty, and honestly, that was my favorite part of the day. That was the story about my last weekend. Thank you for listening and for practicing English with me today. I hope this video helps you improve your listening and learn new vocabulary. Bye.